Hello friends, welcome back. This video is going to be very helpful for all those candidates who have got their joining letter and are allotted CBO stream. All those candidates who want to know about CBO should also watch this video. So what is CBO in IT industries? CBO good or bad for freshers? Answer to this question you will understand yourself by watching this video till end, because we will discuss every aspect of CBO and what is CBO in detail. Can we change CBO stream to IT in TCS? We will also discuss answer to this question. CBO in IT industries. In the Business 4.0 era, business models are rapidly changing and fundamentally redefining how organizations interact with their customers. Most enterprises realize only partial success in digital transformation due to siloed operation. For an enterprise to scale holistically, it must go beyond technology change and transform its operating model. Today, enterprises are pressed to manage these changes in a comprehensive, integrated manner across IT and cognitive business operation. And what is CBO? CBO is simply cognitive business operation. Now, CBO is an amalgam. Amalgam of what? CBO is an amalgam of BPS and ITIS. BPS is Business Process Services and ITIS is Information Technology Infrastructure Services. So basically this is the combination of support teams. TCS Cognitive Business Operation caters to various CXO stakeholders' transformational needs by taking responsibility of entire slices of enterprise operation, including process delivery, application services, and underlying IT infrastructure, and delivers superior business outcomes and experience to all stakeholders through holistic machine-first transformation, leveraging cloud, analytics, IoT, machine learning, AI, and RPA throughout the operational stack. Now, CBO leverages TCS proprietary machine-first delivery model (MFDM) and Ignite enabled by Sense, Understand, Decide, Respond framework to drive automation and drive insight from business operation. CBO helps enterprises to achieve exponential business value, embrace risk, enhance customer experience through hyper personalization while leveraging the wider partner ecosystem. Now, what to do in CBO? If you are selected for CBO, what you are expected to do? Now, CBO will include various types of activities like core industry specific process, analytics, enterprise services such as finance and accounting, HR, supply chain management. There will be no coding part, or if there, then it will be very rare and low. Generally, there are no coding part in support because CBO simply support. And if there is coding part, then this is just for writing some script to automate some part or to enhance some functionality of particular tools. To be short and crisp, if you like coding and development, ITIS is going to be nothing but an intensified nightmare for you. On the other hand, if you are only focused on getting the end meets and chill out in life, there can be nothing better than ITIS. And then that too in TCS. IT, Information Technology field provide the opportunity to work in application development, application maintenance and testing domain, where ITIS, IT Infrastructure Service field provides the opportunity to work in support job for IT. In TCS, you would get a chance to work in different type of ITIS services. Different teams in ITIS. By knowing the name of these teams, you can have some idea about ITIS. Network team is the first team in ITIS. Then Wintel team, Unix team, Operational Monitoring team, Tools team, Storage team, Oracle Database team, SQL Database team, Unified Communication team, SCCM team, iSeries team, SAP Monitoring and many more. All these teams do nothing but only use some tools and do their task. There is no coding part, and if they are, this is very low, and this is used just to write some script and to enhance the functionality of these tools which are used by these teams. And now tools used in ITIS. There will be multiple tools. There will be multiple tools which will be used in ITIS on which you have to do work. Every different team will have to use different tools. However, few tools like ServiceNow are common in most of the teams. All or most of the tools are third-party tools. However, TCS has developed its own tool like Ignio. Now, few of the tools are here: ISCOM, ServiceNow, SQLite, Zabbix, SolarWinds, and many more are there. However, I have written names for few of them. On-site opportunity in ITIS. Yes, there are on-site opportunity in ITIS. However, it does not mean every second person gets on-site opportunity. It depends on lot of factors. First of all is location. If you are in Bangalore or Chennai, you have better chance of getting on-site as compared to Delhi NCR. Project itself. If it is old project which is with TCS from last 5 to 6 years, then the chances are there they have already started offshoring and there will be very few on-site position. So we can clearly say that if your project is very old, then you have very little chance of getting on-site. Your management. Your chance of going on-site largely depend on your PR with senior management. You have to be on their good books. If you are a fresher, you have low chance of getting on-site. You should build skill set and relationship with higher management and then ask for on-site. If you are experienced professional, make it pretty clear that you want on-site before joining the project. Can we change CBO stream to IT in TCS? Yes, you can. But how? First of all, I want to tell you that it is very difficult to change your stream. If you are in CBO, you have to work in CBO for your lifetime. But there is a method that you can change from CBO to IT. For every employee in TCS, after 1 year, there is an exam by the name of TCS Digital. If you qualify that, then you can get digital profile. Then you will not be forced to work in CBO. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe Invictus Biker channel on YouTube. This is the channel of a guy who want to help out and support poor people. And if you subscribe this channel, you will indirectly help poor people. So please subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.